Kamu ketawa, kamu kalah. Oke guys, di video kali ini kita lanjut lagi challenge tahan tawa part 209. Let's go.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Aish.